Enercon, for the past 10 years, has been steadily building our presence. And last year, we reached the 1 gigawatt milestone. And we are very proud of our record to date. We have built the largest infrastructure with over 200 employees and with, we hope, a lot of happy customers. We've worked hard to train and build our specialist departments and the knowledge base in Ireland. We strive to get the balance between local knowledge and global expertise. The team here in Ireland will work on projects abroad. Notably, our grid integration specialists will work on projects in the Faroe Islands, specialist research projects with EU, notably Sysflex, and we also have other specialist departments such as logistics and energy yield assessment teams will work in other countries. Our logistics department actually recently took the lead on a kind of a unique project here in Ireland, where we were the first to use a blade lifter to negotiate some villages through Tipperary, which we were very proud of, and it was a very successful project, and was the first in Ireland and the UK. So, ready for change, ready for new challenges. So we're very proud of what we've done. We have a good team on the ground. And as we look to the new challenges that are coming, we feel that we have the team to take forward. We're looking to leverage that experience for our customers in Ireland with a full collaboration of services to offer a flexible level of solutions and strategies that will meet the customer's needs. Whether that is pre-planning, site optimization, design, which involves a number of discussions between developers, planning consultants. We feel that this is a good approach and leads to very good optimization on site, and it's a good iterative approach to be involved in that process. We'll also continue to offer EPC contracts for full-term contracts, taking on substations, cabling works, hard stands, roads and foundations. We have successfully done this across a range of projects in Ireland, and it works extremely well when there's tight deadlines or cost certainty is the driving force, which I think would be very important within the Res 1 scenarios. We have in the past offered equity to help projects cross the line, and we will continue to do this where traditional funds are not there to step in. It's yet to be seen whether this has much appetite with ECP1, but the offer is there. Service contracts will, of course, be one of interest that we continue to offer with various options depending on the level of risk appetite of the developer. With either with limited liability or various structures in place depending on the actual appetite of our developers, your experience, or whatever your strategy is. And of course, we will also have additional supporting technologies, batteries and DS3 system services that we will offer to customers, and we will be chasing those DS3 capacity auctions. And of course, at the centre of all this is turbine supply. Yes, we do make turbines. So, our product range now, as we look at what was successful in ECP1, we will continue to offer the EP1, which is our sub-megawatt turbines, which the E44s, and also we will continue to offer our EP2 platforms, which obviously was our traditional big seller, the E70s, E82s and E92s. But we will also now, for Res 1 and Res 2, we think this will be the main area which will be most attractive to developers. This is our brand new platform, the EP3 platform. And this will be across a range of blade lengths, 115, 126 and 138. Our new EP3 platform is a significant design change. The new EP3 platform has been designed specifically with auction systems in mind, with particular focus on reducing LSOE. We are just building on the traditional direct drive concept, which has been so successful for Enercon, with the key aim of lowering costs and higher efficiency. The obvious change is the change in the nacelle. We no longer will have our lovely Norman Foster nacelle, we will be reverting back to the collar design, which we've seen more on their E40 machines from the 90s. However, this has significant changes, and a key obvious quantitative matrix is the weight. Our conventional design of the E126 EP4 was tower head weight machine was 450 tons. Our new design will be 250. That's pretty impressive reduction in weight. The redesign brings multiple benefits in terms of on-site installation, reduction in on-site works. Components will become pre-made in the factory. Connections are easier on-site. The other internal fundamental change is the generator. The generator traditionally has been hand-woven copper windings. This will now change to pre-formed aluminium windings. This has obviously inherent cost and weight savings. It's also simpler, faster production, again leading to better costing. Better protection against humidity, dust and air as it is also encased, and improved efficiency as the voltage increases. We installed the first prototype in August for the E126, and as you can see, the actual installation times, man hours, have been drastically reduced by over 50% reduction of assembly time. So these are all costs and installation costs that we will be passing on to the customer. Blade design, always a favourite topic of Enercon, very famous for very efficient design of blades. And previously with the EP4 platform, we offered split blades, but we are no longer offering that. It'll be one piece. This obviously has issues for transport, but the cost advantage is much more significant. And as we have shown in Tipperary, there is ways of up and around these issues. So Enercon's success for the past 2 decades is in large part to our direct drive and full inverter technology, which has only really been possible through our mastery of power electronics. And over the past number of years, we've been working away quietly in our research development department in ARIC on a number of key innovations. And these are our active rectifier and back-to-back inverters. This has enabled the move to aluminium as the voltage increases, and all of the preceding innovations and improvements that I've just talked about. Innovations in one area leading to improvements in others. In effect, the rectifier moves to the basement, again reducing the weight in the nacelle, removing of the filter and the boost within the power electronics. Again, reducing the number of cabinets, again reducing cost. So these are the key stats of our E126. It's offering in 4 megawatt down to 3 megawatt machine, available at 150 tip heights up to 180. Design year of 25 years, so 25% extra yield compared to the conventional design. AEPs are pretty good. Sound level is 106. But if we look at, we will have available a number of noise mitigation strategies and sophisticated noise reduction modes. And I suppose this is one turbine we think is very attractive and kind of unique within the for the Irish market. It is a 115 metre rotor diameter and will have a tip height of 125. So we call it informally the daisy cutter. It is a reduction of about 30% LCOE based off our existing 115, and also is extremely quiet. So we can offer modes at 3 megawatt machines of 102 decibels. So in comparison, that is about the noise of an E70 machine. So that is significant. We'll also have a 138 option for class 3 machines, class 3 wind conditions, again available on 150 and 180. And again with very sensitive noise modes down to 198. So this is a slide that I thought was more of an interest rather than actual have quantitative information on it, because it's kind of internal. But it's just to see the drop in LCOE across the range that we've now got. It's more indicative, and I suppose if you want the real figures, please come talk to us and we will give you the new prices. And also, this graph is kind of interesting as well, and it just kind of shows that the effect of 20 years as opposed to 25 years, the additional reduction in LCOE if you're modelling over the long term, depending on your assumptions. There's been a lot going on across the industry, number of mergers, we've seen our competitors doing, and as a private trust with a very healthy balance sheet, Enercon has been quite prudent about who we are going to partnership with, and looking for synergies of cultural fit. And we really feel that with IWEA, who's also a very innovative company, lots of good ideas, that we have found a good partner there. And also, as you look at the actual platforms of their latest platform and our platform, they're very similar. The fundamental difference being we don't have permanent magnets, but that is it. We will be offering the LP4 platform for Ireland for the Res 2 auctions. However, this only comes on 180 metre tip height, so won't be suitable for all sites. So I hope that is it. Thank you.